Guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and thank you so much for giving all the support for every time on my every videos. And today video is really exciting, and especially for the people who love alcohol, spirit, especially who are like people who love gin. So I'm going to show you the entire process how we make gin in house in this distillery, and the person behind who makes this gin, the Sam, he's here, and this person really amazing. He has a lot of knowledge behind alcohol. Yeah, and so Sam, are you excited to show us the secrets behind how to make gin?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So long as I don't give too much away, so you're not going to go creating your own roundhouse at home. But yeah, no, absolutely.
I won't do that, man. I won't do that. No, like, it's a kind of difficult process because the machineries and everything. It's really expensive process as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's difficult.
So you're getting an insider here today.
Yeah, inside of it. Yeah. So guys, please do watch this video until the end because the video is going to be really excited. And please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Do you wanna please tell them to subscribe to my channel, bro?
Please subscribe to Abhilash's channel. It's very important to him and myself.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. Thanks a lot, guys. And now we're gonna start, and we'll show you the process and the entire process one by one. So let's head to the distillery.
Alright guys, so we're over at the still now. So we've got a 100 litre still here, which we distill our gin in. But before we do any of that, we've got to weigh out our botanicals and add them into the still so that it can steep for 24 hours before we do any distilling. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what we do there. So we've got lots of ingredients in our gin, but like some of the main ingredients, if you like, in here we've got the juniper berries, possibly the most important ingredient. So we're going to start weighing them out now.
I think this goes in all the gins, right? I guess that's the base.
Yeah.
Mostly. Yeah. So how much juniper berries do you usually put in one batch?
So we distill at 100 litres, so for 100 litres of gin we usually put between sort of 1500 and 1600 grams of juniper berries. That's depending on still and sort of how much gin we're looking to make, whether we want it to be heavy juniper flavoured or not so much and make some of the other flavours come through. But I usually go for heavy juniper, so about 1600 grams.
1600 ग्राम. So guys, 100 लीटर के करीब ये यहाँ पे जिन डिस्टिल करते हैं एक बैच में, और जिसके अंदर ये ड्राइड हर्ब्स वगैरह जाते हैं. सो ये जूनिपर बेरीज हैं जो कि लगभग 1.5 किलो जूनिपर बेरीज में
That's the lemongrass, so this gives our gin a really nice zesty flavour.
Oh, lemongrass, dude! This is going to be really good, man. Lemongrass. I really love lemongrass flavor, man.
Yeah,
especially
lemongrass is a really subtle hint at like a citrusy flavour.
Yeah,
if you didn't
citrus,
want to
and gives a really strong flavor as well.
Yeah, if you didn't want to use like lemon peel or orange or something like that gives more of a flavour towards those fruit, this just gives a really nice warm citrusy flavour.
So guys, ये dried lemongrass है. आपने lemongrass के बारे में सुना होगा. Usually cooking में भी lemongrass यूज़ करते हैं, fresh lemongrass, और ज़्यादातर spirits वगैरह में भी फ्लेवर करने के लिए lemongrass यूज़ करी जाती है. So guys, ये peppercorn है.
Peppercorns is one of the sort of highest value ingredients in Roundhouse, so it comes just underneath juniper berries. So the peppercorn gives like a really smooth, crisp sort of finishing taste to the gin.
And a bit spicy in the end.
Yeah, so it adds. It's more like a warming kind of heat. So like when you get that sensation when you drink like a neat whiskey or any spirit without a mixer, you get that sort of like very warming sensation down the throat, and the peppercorn just makes that really smooth and makes the sensation really nice. Going in next, we've got cinnamon. So cinnamon is a really nice addition to the gin. It gives it a really sweet flavour. So the flavours with Roundhouse that sort of add sweetness, if you like. So we've got licorice, we've got the cinnamon, which is really like the heaviest hitting of the sweet flavours. Also though, we've got the grapefruit. The grapefruit is quite bitter, but the fruit taste is really nice.
So do you use dry grapefruit?
No, we use a grapefruit oil.
Grapefruit
So
oil.
concentrated grapefruit oil, which I can show you shortly. and we just literally add a few drops to every 100 liters, and that's what gets the grapefruit
Because it's
flavor.
highly concentrated.
highly concentrated.
तो गाइस अभी सैम ने सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स यहाँ पे वे करे हैं एंड वो अभी आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस पूरा बताएगा कि कैसे डिस्टिलेशन मशीन वर्क करती है. सो ओवर टू सैम नाउ.
Hi guys, if you're still with us, then we've added all the botanicals into the still. We've mixed that with our alcohol solution, which is a combination of 95% ethanol, and then we water that down with distilled water to 40%. That all goes into the still. We then leave it for 24 hours so that all the flavours from the botanicals infuse naturally with the spirit. And then what we're left with before we distill is like a really cloudy, muddy looking liquid. So we don't want to present that to the customers and the people buying our gin. So what we do then, one day later, 24 hours, turn the still on, and the way the still works, it's just like a really big kettle. So down the bottom here, we've got a big basin full of water and heating pipes. So the water heats up and kind of creates like a bain-marie. So like the way you would melt chocolate almost. As you can see there, it's puffing out steam. So it is extremely hot. We're talking like 100 degrees Celsius at the moment, and it goes all the way up
Yeah
to
guys, you
about...
can see the temperature in here.
Yeah.
It's like 90
90,
right
so it's
now.
90 here, it's like 85 up there,
Because
so
it
it cools down gradually.
Okay. As you can see guys, it's boiling over here. तो सारे के सारे ड्राई हर्ब्स इसमें बॉईल हो रहे हैं प्योर अल्कोहल में. So basically a day before we put all the dry ingredients inside with alcohol, with ethanol actually, जिसकी alcohol percentage होती है 95%, जो कि it's basically like a poison, right? Because it's high concentrated in alcohol, and then we leave it there for 24 hours so that all the flavors में infuse हो जाएं, and then next day we boil it to 88 degrees Celsius. We start with 88 degrees Celsius क्योंकि alcohol जो है 68 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे बॉयल होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. वाटर यूजुअली 100 डिग्रीज पे स्टार्ट होता है, लेकिन अल्कोहल 68 डिग्रीज पे स्टार्ट होता है. सो वी स्टार्ट बॉइलिंग एट 88 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो उससे क्या होता है कि जितना भी अल्कोहल कंटेंट होता है 95% से वो लो होके 70% पे आ जाता है, जो कि स्लोली स्टीम के थ्रू डिस्टिल होके यहाँ से पूरी स्टीम जाती है. स्टीम के थ्रू डिस्टिल होके इस टैंक में आती है, एंड देन फर्स्ट इस टैंक में जाती है क्योंकि यहाँ पे फ्रेश हर्ब्स ये डालते हैं जिसमें फ्रेश हर्ब्स का फ्लेवर उसमें इन्फ्यूज़ होता है. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट स्लोली स्टीम इसमें आती है जो कि कूल डाउन हो जाती है. एंड यू कैन सी द टेम्परेचर ओवर हियर इट्स 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस, एंड देन ऑल द वे डाउन विच यू गेट and flavorful extracted gin from here. So you get it about 70% from here. Then this is and then you have to add distilled water in it. So this is basically 70% alcohol percentage in it, and then you will add distilled water in it to reduce it down to 40%. अभी alcohol concentration है इसमें, जो कि बहुत strong है. I'm still going to taste it and let you know how does it taste. Very strong. I cannot take it. That's बहुत strong है, but really nice flavor coming out of the herbs. I can feel it, you know. If you put basil as well in it, fresh herbs, I can feel basil because it's coming from here, right?
Yeah.
It smells really good too. गाइस फाइनली फिनिश प्रोडक्ट बन के रेडी हो चुका है. आई मीन आज तो हमने बॉटलिंग इसकी नहीं करी है, बॉटलिंग बाद में होगी. सो दिस इज़ हाउ दे यूजुअली बॉटल इन दिस वन राउंड हाउस जिन. सो इनके इन हाउस जिन है, उनके और भी जितने भी ब्रांचेस हैं डिस्टिलरी के, सारे ब्रांचेस में इन हाउस जिन यहीं से जाती है. सो सैम थैंक यू सो मच. सैम ने मेरे लिए ड्रिंक भी रेडी करी है, प्रॉपर जिन लाइक कॉकटेल ने मेरे को बना के रेडी करी है. बट ऑल द थिंग्स यू पुट इन दिस.
So this is a roundhouse gin with our sort of perfect serve, if you like. So our perfect serve is double roundhouse, elixir tonic, fresh grapefruit, and a leaf of basil.
Wow, this is really tasty, and I can really get the flavor of juniper berries and a bit spiciness of peppercorn. A really flavorful thing, man. I cannot drink it all because I'm working. अभी मैं drink नहीं कर सकता. I'm working. I usually don't drink as well. So, but yeah, taste करने के लिए it's really good. So then thank you so much for showing us entire process. I really enjoy the process. Hope you guys also enjoy this process.
Very well.
So yeah, I really appreciate, man, thank you for taking out your time.
No problem.
Yeah guys, so guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want more videos, something like that, you can put something in the comment box, and any topics you want me to shoot on a video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care. I'm just gonna have another sip. It's delicious.